Okay, here we are. I'm going to make this as fast as I can so you can get a quick glance at what our house is looking at right now. Here we go. There you go. You can see the walls. That's our bed. That's the dressing area. It's all going to be changed. There'll be a wall here with double French doors, small French doors. Cabinets are coming out. New cabinets are coming in all the way to the ceiling up there. That'll be awesome. Off to the right is the bathroom. You've got the where the shower used to be here is now going to be Larry's lavatory. There is the toilet, which will have a new one there. It'll be one of those that is chair height. Then this is where the jacuzzi or circulating tub is going to be, and that's going to be super nice. Take a look at that wall. Is that some paper? All right, then we turn around and we're going out of the Larry's dressing area into mine, and you can see there's a doorway here. This is going into the closet, and it's actually, everything's been torn out of here. All the cabinets, all the mirrors, all the ceiling tiles, and everything is textured and ready to redo with extra long shelving to put in and more hanging space. This is a huge closet. Take a look at this. Wow, awesome, huh? Everything's going to be brand new in here. We are seriously thinking about on this wall in this closet here to make a hallway entrance from outside to the carport. So as you come in the back door here, there will be a wall right along here that will separate the closet. And then you come in, this will be a tiled area. Closet will be carpeted. Come on back here into my dressing area. Remember, there's going to be a wall here now to my left instead of this open space. There'll be a wall here. And all of this will be tiled. And then you'll just come back out into our bedroom area. So I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. It was too long a video. This is the other closet. It is being completely redone. You can see all the stuff that's in here. Hot water heater may come out and go up in the attic with a new one, electric in the attic. We go into the weight room, and what we're looking at here is all this stuff. We have a pod outside that is full, and now we got this room just stashed with stuff. Larry's weights, art stuff, new tile in here with carpet under the weight area. All these mirrors, very likely we'll take these mirrors and put them on this wall after everything's been painted and clean and new ceilings taken care of outside. Oh, here I come again, guys. My last video was too long. So I'm going to look up here and show you what they're doing to the roof area. Wow, y'all got a lot done since I came out here the first time. So that's what it's looking like with that flat roof. It's going to be fixed and ready to go. I love you, Monica. So, bye. Here I am one more time in the bedroom. There may be right there a fireplace. That's a possibility. And then, of course, that goes into the laundry room, into the dining room, into the kitchen. So I love you. I ran into the guys one more time. This is twice I've tried to do this. Love you. Bye.